The Urmet VOG5W monitor, part of the voice and gesture range, is a 5-inch 2-wire monitor that is compatible with our 2-wire door entry system 2Voice. Let's unbox it. When first opening the box, you'll see both the quick start and gesture control user guides, as well as an installation manual. Remove the packaging and take out the VOG5W. You'll notice it has a 5-inch display and buttonless, touch-sensitive controls. The primary controls, such as opening the door, muting the monitor, and answering or ending a call, are located just under the display, with the secondary controls, such as switchboard calling and viewing entry panel camera feeds, only visible after pressing the menu button. On the side of VOG5W, you'll find raised reference notches for the visually impaired and a micro SD card slot. On the bottom of VOG5W, you'll find the speaker with the microphone and IR sensor, which is used for gesture control, located on the top. Around the back of VOG5W, you'll find the dip switches and the removable wall mounting bracket. Heading back into the box, you'll see the fixing screws and connectors, which provide additional functionality such as extra ringtones and a panic alarm. And that's it.